Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Drew Food channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the tastiest and easiest Indomie recipe. So let's get started. For this recipe I'm going to use 10 tomatoes. I am also going to add some Frankfurter sausages. I've got 3 garlic cloves, 3 medium-sized brown onions. I am also going to add 1 medium-sized scotch bonnet. I am going to add 10 medium eggs, and for the seasoning I have got 1 maggi tablet. I have got some salt, and now I am going to show you the indomie. So I'll be cooking 10 packets of indomie with chicken flavor, but I'll divide it in 2. So first thing is that you need to wash your tomatoes and then cut them and remove the seeds, because for this recipe the seeds are not needed, although some people just leave them in the tomatoes. Right, we have got our tomatoes, but I'm still going to cut it a little bit smaller because I want it to cook quicker. Now onto the onions. So I'm just going to slice the onions, but you can dice it if you like. Okay, and for 10 indomie packets, I think 3 medium-sized onion is just perfect, but as usual you can add more if you like onions. And now I am going to slice my garlic, and I'm using only 3, but feel free to use more. And then last but not least, I am going to dice my scotch bonnets, and I think 1 is enough because I have got children, but if you want it spicier, use 2 or even 3. And now I am going to cut my sausage, and as I said previously, I'm using Frankfurter sausages because I like the taste, but use any sausage you like, even the red sausage if you think is better. Now I am going to add enough water and let it boil. And I also wanted to show you the indomie. So this is how it looks like. You have the noodles and the seasoning, so chili and some other seasoning. So now I'm going to cut it open and put it in my small container, and I'm going to do this with the remaining seasoning. Next I am going to break my eggs in my bowl, and I'm going to beat it and leave it aside for now. Alright, so the water is boiling, and I'm now going to cook my indomie. So as I said, I'm going to divide it in 2. So I'm first going to cook 5 packets of indomie. Okay, and also cover it and leave it to cook for about 3 minutes, but don't forget to stir it from time to time. Okay. Alright guys, so my indomies are cooked now, and I am going to remove the water. Be careful because it is extremely hot, guys, very hot. Okay, and then to stop the cooking process, I am going to pour some cold water on it and then leave it on the side. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of oil in my cooking pot, and then I'm going to fry my sausage. Be careful, it is also very hot. And then remove the sausage about after 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, and this is a close-up of my sausage. Now I am going to cook the onions and the garlic. So I'm going to give it a little stir and leave it to saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'm going to add my scotch bonnet pepper, stir it, and then add my fresh tomatoes, and I'm going to cover it so that it cooks quicker and the tomatoes will be very soft. Okay, alright, so this is it, and as you can see the tomatoes have softened up now, and I'm just going to give it a quick little stir, and then I am going to add my eggs. So as you saw in the beginning, I have beaten 5 eggs, but you can also decide to add it directly. Okay, now I'm going to give it a stir and let it fry for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until it becomes scrambled. Okay, and always on a medium heat. All right, So everything is ready, and I'm just going to add my sausages back to it, give it a stir, and then I'm going to add the seasoning that comes with the Indomie. Okay, so this is the seasoning of 5 packets. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to add half a maggi, and if I need more, I'm just going to add the whole tablet to it. Now I'm just going to give it a little stir, and I'm going to let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on a low heat. Okay. Alright guys, it is now time to add in our Indomie noodles, and as you can see, it is not sticking because I stopped the cooking process by adding cold water. Now I'm going to stir it, and this is it guys. Look at this wonderful Indomie with sausage, egg and tomatoes. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and you are going to try it because it is excellent. Please leave me comments, likes and share my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.